emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, western Beaver County and western Pennsylvania, southwestern Lawrence County and western Pennsylvania, northern Hancock County and northern West Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were along a line extending from Newell to Chester to Shippingport, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour gusts. Source, radar. Impact, tree damage. Locations impacted include Newell, East Liverpool, Chester, Wellsville, Shippingport, Harshville, Beaver Creek State Park, Blackhawk, Beaver Falls, Darlington, East Palestine, Columbiana. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday evening for the warned area. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NOAA Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana, Ohio, and Lawrence, Pennsylvania.